All right, what's up, everybody? So today I am going to show you how to set up your ZipForms. Whether you're brand new at this or have had ZipForms for a while and don't know these shortcuts, I'm going to share with you, what I do and what I train my team to do to help you have a template made so you don't have to put in all of your information over and over again every time you get a deal. So this is using ZipForms directly, whether I don't know, it's called Lone Wolf or changing to Lone Wolf, but here we go. I'm going to share my screen. All right, so we are here in ZipForms. All right, so now I'm going to go here, go to templates. All right. No templates in this account, so I'm going to help by clicking. So this is going to be for a purchase offer. This particular agent has a single family home. So I'm going to call this buyer. Our contractor offer. Residential is what we do mainly. So this is what I'm going to do here. And we don't want it automatically applied because every time you create a transaction, it may not be buyer only and all that other stuff. So you have the option when you edit it to figure that out. Or when you build your new one, I should say. Sorry, these are going to keep popping up. So what I'm going to do here, this is where I would like the state of New Jersey. And I want their contract. So all right, then I want a CIS. Right? Sometimes you may forget to have that in there, so I want that in there. I'm going to put everything that's needed for every home and take them out every time I make a contract. So what I would prefer is a well addendum, a septic addendum, FHA loan. I'm not going to have that. I'll even put solar panel because I know a lot of agents miss that. So if it's in here when you come in and build a contract and, you didn't forget to add it, that's a little additional protection. Let's see. I'll put dual agency, buyer. In case I run into that. Lead paint. Notice for lead paint. Wire fraud is included. And that's it. So now my template's built. Okay, I'm going to sort it. Actually here. So if I were to make a test, so when I come in and say, all right, apply this template, it's going to be in this order. So this is the contract. And what I'm going to do on this particular template, I'm going to go through it. I'm going to put the broker information for the agent to help save every time you come in here. If you have some standards that you use, this is where you're going to check them off. So in this case, I know this company only lets the check be made payable to the title company. with me. I'm looking up these license numbers so they never have to be changed again. So let me just get one more piece of info. I'll check the rest while this is loading. All right, so that's the main set of the contract. We're going to hit here. Let me just check this email. There we go. So now this is a fully set up contract, and this should populate some info. Okay, so you drop that information here. So you're going to go through, double check all your forms. And I believe that is all you're going to have to do. So as I said before, we do this for, this is a buyer contract or offer, so that it's pre-filled out. You can just come in and type this stuff in that's pertinent to the actual transaction. And then a listing, you can even do a listing contract template. So I would say those are the three that you mainly should focus on. Any other questions, just reach out, and hope you learned something. Thanks.